Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best cast iron grill pans in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Lodge Cast Iron Grill Pan. Get even more cooking square surface grill pan. The ribbed surface allows fat to drain from food while also searing tantalizing grill marks onto your food. Cast iron isn't flashy like some cookware, but it's remarkably consistent and effective, doing all the important things you really need. Cast iron handles heat about as good as any other cooking material. For instance, making it a kitchen essential, especially if you regularly make steaks, burgers and other meats that revel in a good, hot sear. It's also tough as nails and will last you as long as you're willing to care for it. Lodge is one of the best known, if not the best known, producers of cast iron, and right now Amazon has a slew of Lodge quality cast iron cookware on deep discount. That includes skillets, griddle pans, a Dutch oven, a combo cooker, my personal favorite, and a bunch more. Here are a few picks from the limited run cast iron cookware sale. Featuring both an assist handle and an easy grip handle for great control and hanging storage, it provides excellent heat distribution and retention for consistent, even cooking. Seasoned and ready to use. Features: seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, unparalleled heat retention and even heating. Use in the oven, on the stove, on the grill, or over a campfire. Get a restaurant quality sear. Used to sear, saute, bake, broil or grill. Great for induction cooktops, made in the USA. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Deep Skillet. Combining a deep skillet with an iron cover, this Lodge NCF 35 quarts pre-seasoned cast iron deep skillet excels in the oven, on the range, or over the fire. Creating cast iron cookware like this since 1896, Lodge continues to impress with an unparalleled dedication to quality, technology, and its employees. It's right at home on induction, ceramic, electric, and gas cooktops, in your oven, on the grill, or even over the campfire. This pan is great for ensuring heat retention and even heating during use. And, since it comes pre-seasoned from Lodge, it offers a natural, easy-release finish that improves with use, letting you cook healthier by limiting the amount of oils needed in your cooking. While the skillet comes pre-seasoned to prevent food from sticking, it works best when sprayed or lightly coated with vegetable oil before use. After cooking, we recommend cleaning with a stiff nylon brush and hot water. Using soap or the dishwasher is not recommended, and harsh detergents should never be used. Towel dry immediately cleaning and apply a light coating of oil to utensil while it is still warm. Number 3. Our third best pick is Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Grill Pan. The enameled cast iron signature square skillet grill brings the delicious flavor of outdoor grilling conveniently indoors. The interior surface is finished with a black satin enamel that eliminates the need for the traditional seasoning and maintenance of raw cast iron. Specially formulated for higher surface temperature cooking, the enamel develops a natural patina over time that is ideal for searing. The high ridges create perfect sear marks, and allow excess fat and grease to drain away from the food. Loop handles make it easy to maneuver a full pan, and the spouts on 2 sides allow for drip-free pours. Individually crafted by French artisans from the finest quality materials since 1925, Le Creuset enameled cast iron cookware is beloved for its perfected design and exceptional heat retention that produces superior results from stove to oven to table. Designed for generations of durability, the porcelain enamel requires no seasoning, minimizes sticking and is dishwasher safe. Features: enameled cast iron delivers superior heat distribution and retention. Ready to use, requires no seasoning, easy to clean and durable enamel resists stulling, staining, chipping and cracking. Lightest weight cast iron by quart on the market. Compatible with all cooktops and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Safe for dishwasher and metal utensils. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Q-Isonite Square Grill Pan. Cast iron improves its solid reputation with Q-Isonite Chef's classic enameled cast iron cookware. Home chefs can explore different cooking methods from searing or grilling in the pans to slow braising or simmering in the casseroles. With incredible heat retention and even heat distribution, these versatile pieces yield great results whether it's on the stove or in the broiler or oven. They also can go from oven to table and double as elegant serving pieces. Features: provides superior heat retention and even heat distribution. Strong, durable finish in rich colors complement any kitchen decor. Perfect for cooking, serving and entertaining. 2 exterior colors available. Choose from cardinal red or Provençal blue. Ideal for cooking. Surfaces do not impart flavors or absorb odors. Extreme versatility. Induction stovetop compatible. Stovetop, oven, and broiler safe. Dishwasher safe. Convenient maintenance and easy cleanup. Lifetime warranty. What we like. Retains heat well. Creates distinctive grill marks. Heavy duty and durable. Oven and broiler safe to 500 degrees. Dishwasher safe. What we don't like. Very heavy. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Staub Cast Iron 12 inches Square Grill Pan. For centuries, cooks have taken advantage of the natural heat retention and redistribution properties of cast iron. Staub builds on this tradition with our enameled cast iron cookware. Black matte enamel inside and cooking surface creates a culinary advantage for better browning, braising, and roasting. Colorful enamel outside adds flair to your kitchen and table. Safe for use on all types of heat sources, including gas, electric, and induction. And oven safe up to 500 Fahrenheit. Chip resistant and dishwasher safe, made in France. Includes 12 inches square grill pan and 10.3 inches square grill press. Oven safe up to 500 Fahrenheit. Smooth enamel bottom works on all stovetops. Each piece is one of a kind. Rough texture results in exceptional browning. Requires no seasoning. Dishwasher safe. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.